Hi, this is Andrew. Do you want to learn how to schedule your social media like Facebook or Instagram for free? Now, when I say schedule means that you can create a post or videos in one shot, means batch produce it and then schedule it throughout like a month or throughout the year. Now, this is what I do. I love to batch up to create the content one shot and then publish it weekly or monthly. If you would like to schedule your posts on Facebook and Instagram as well like me, then watch this video. I will show you step by step how to do that. Now, first thing first, before you can post all this, you need to have a Facebook page. I'm not talking about posting in your personal profile. I'm talking about how to use Facebook and Instagram for business. So we need a Facebook business page as well as Instagram business account. So first thing that you need to go and register your Facebook page as well as convert your personal Instagram account to a business account. Let's jump right in. I'll show you the tools that provide by Facebook itself that can help you to create schedule for both Facebook and Instagram one shot in one place. Okay, right now we're in the business.facebook.com/creator studio, or you can just type facebook.com/creator studio. I'll leave the link right below in the descriptions. Yeah, so once you're in the Creator Studio home, like this, then you can see two buttons right over here. One is for Facebook, one is for Instagram. This is your Creator Studio. Now, if you have all your business page tied to the same account, you will have plenty, right? Like I will have like plenty of all the pages right over here. Okay, and then you can create your own collection. That some maybe because I don't use it so frequent. Okay, now, so this is the page you come here. Now I'm going to show you to create your Facebook page. Very simple, like normally what you create. So now, if you want to post something, just click here, post something. Now you can even add the story over here, or upload video, go live from this screen. So let's say I want to post something, just click here. When it come out, then you choose the account, which page that you want to post to. Let's say I just take this page, then you just post like normal, okay? So you can type in post as normal, yeah? And then attach a video, share a photo, you want a live video, multimedia, okay? And the rest, this is like you normally post on your personal profile or your Facebook page. Now, after you post, click here. If you want to share now, immediately means that you click here and then you just share now. What you want to do is that you click here and then you can see here, schedule. So what you do is that you can come here and choose the date you want to schedule to. Right? Let's say you want to post in March 2nd, what time? Then click schedule, then finish. Your post will be just scheduled. So it's that easy, simple and easy. Let me show you the Instagram, okay? So you can click here to Instagram. So in Instagram here, you come here and then you click create post. So you can create either Instagram feed or IGTV. Now at this moment, I'm not too sure. I don't think you can post story for Instagram right now, but you can post Instagram feed. Assume that let's want to post the Instagram feed. Just click here. And then it will ask you which account. Okay, select the account you want to post. Then same thing, write the text. And then location, if you want to put a location. So here we'll just click and then add your content. Your content, as usual, can be a photo, videos, and so on, like you post in Instagram. After that, you see, once you add the content, you can actually post it to Facebook as well. So all you need is just like you click here, because I didn't add any content. So let me choose the content, right? Click from a file, upload. Now I just simply choose a file that's on my computer, and then after that, I can click here. You can see that I can post this to Instagram as well as to Facebook. Yeah. Now, the most important thing here is if you want to schedule, click this button and then click schedule. So same thing, choose the date, the timing, and then schedule. Now, remember one thing here is that if you click schedule means here, it will schedule only on Instagram feed. Okay, because here it show publish. So means that it will immediately publish to your Facebook page. So what you need to do is the same thing here. You can click here, schedule to. So you can schedule 2 different time. It doesn't matter. So I can schedule here, let's say for example, 25th February, what time? Yeah. Then it will show schedule here. And then I can here do another schedule maybe in March 3rd, whatever time. Okay. So then if I click schedule, it will schedule for you in Instagram as well as in Facebook. So now if I were you, I will create an Instagram post, yeah, and then I will save my time because it will post to Facebook as well. So it will save means that you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay, so got it? I hope you know how to schedule your Facebook posts as well as Instagram posts in one place, and it's totally free of charge. Now, this is so much better because earlier on I have paid services to schedule on Instagram, and a lot of time these services will be down because Instagram will block them. Now, with their own Facebook tools, creator tools, then this has totally no problem at all. So my challenge to you right now is just go and try it and post it. Like for me, because I don't post a lot of content to my Instagram as well as my Facebook page, I will usually schedule to Instagram and then cross post to Facebook page as well. So that will save me my time. So I hope these tips will help you. If you like this video, do share with your friend and appreciate a thumbs up from you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, we publish business tips to help small business to grow their business online. If you like this type of content, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So when we publish our content every week, you will be notified. And meanwhile, here's some of the videos that I've created to help small business grow their business online.